The King's Weaver, Chapter 17. The Disguise Irava.
The Dowager has to have secrets. She's just that kind of woman. Well, there's the bedchamber. I hesitate at the door, steeling myself before pushing it open. It's one thing to enter a chamber with Toravan there to give me permission, but I have no illusions at all that I have permission to be here now. But the moment I enter, I feel it, that same offness that shrouded the late king's bedchamber. It's that absence of reality, a void where life should be more present. And here, especially, knowing that the Dowager lives in this chamber, there should be vibrant streams of life and possibilities, but it's as if the essence of the room was drained away, leaving only emptiness behind. This is something. This is a big something. Does this mean I was wrong about the Dowager after all? And she's also been marked for death by this unknown assassin? I cautiously step further into the bedchamber, looking for anything out of place. The opulent bed with its rich fabrics, the ornate dresses and vanity, everything seems normal. But that feeling of emptiness clings to the air like fog. I quickly survey the room, knowing that time isn't on my side. But as desperately as I search, I still find no answers beyond the shroud of lesser reality itself. And then I hear them. Voices outside the main door to the Dowager's chambers. I freeze, head cocked, listening for the sounds from the other room. The door latch rattles. I catch my breath. I need to go, now. I do a quick spin. Did I leave anything out of place? I don't think so. But no time to fix it now. With my illusion of Lady Denala still wrapped around me like a cloak, I slip out through the back servants' entrance and run straight into Lord Valtaire.